Hello! Ay, traffic! So yeah, wala akong choice but to go here on my way. Yon, sige lang sir. Ay, salamat sir. May kamote ba dito? Salamat! Ayun! Nakawala din po sa aray ko. Kupit talaga dito. Ano ba yan? Kamusta? Yung amoy, ayaw matanggal sa helmet ko. Kamusta po? Hello. Yes, I'm talking to you, the one who's watching this video right now. Welcome to my channel. This is Diary of a Motorcycle Rider Philippines. I'm Dmrph. I'm Dmrph. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, boy. But don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. Yes, just click. Oy, ate. Kamusta ka naman doon sa pangungulangot mo doon, te? Ayun, so kamusta po kayo dyan lahat? How are you guys doing today? Yeah, so it's Dmrph again, and we are going home as usual. Yes, it's time for my daily mother effing vlog. And for today is a special episode, no? It's my first time to do this kind of vlog. Yes, because it's a special day. Just a few days ago, June 12, it's our Independence Day. Kaboom! So, Happy Independence Day, Philippines! And kasabay po nun, Funko Pop. Yes, JOLLIBEE in Barong was launched. And for you to get it, you have to buy 6 pieces of Chicken Joy, 1 bucket, yeah, for you to get that at a special price of tumataginting na gintong pilak, 935 or 950 pesos. I am not quite sure. Because today will be the first time that I'm getting myself a JOLLIBEE Funko Pop in Barong. Ay! Nako! Ay! Pero, yes, sabi ko nga po, there's going to be something special. So, ang gagawin po natin ay, pag nakabili na po tayo ng JOLLIBEE Funko Pop, ibibigay po natin ito sa ating mga less fortunate kababayans, ano? Sa ating mga less fortunate, to the less fortunate. Yeah. Sorry, I don't need to explain that further. So, ayun, we are gonna give them a piece with rice. Yay! Abangan nyo po later yung aking vlog, yung aking footage, kung matutuwa sila or sasampalin nila ako sa aking pagmumukha, no? For giving them food. Ayan lamang po, just stay tuned, be sure to subscribe, be sure to notify yourself for future videos. Oh no we're not gonna end this, so relax. So ayun nga po, I usually just a brief background, no, why I'm doing this, no. Hindi ko po siya ni-record before because actually I usually do that before I got married, like religiously, no, halos palagi. And medyo matulungin po talaga ako, but hindi ko po pinagmamalaki yung sarili ko, or hindi po ako hindi ako nagyayabang, or I'm not seeking attention, yeah, for all of you. Nope, I'm not. Ginagawa ko po siya when it's my birthday especially, or meron tayo extra budget, nabigyan tayo ni whoa meron tayo extra pera, or alam mo yun, wala tayong masyadong pagkagastusan for today or for this week or for this month, no? So ginagawa ko po yun usually, lalong lalo na when I'm buying myself food sa takeout counter and then I see one who looks hungry. Hindi ko na po kinukunan ng footage yun, but this time nagva-vlog na po ako, and this is the first time that I'm gonna do a motovlog, no? So, syempre, pipili po tayo ng branch na malapit sa atin ng JOLLIBEE, yes. Because we are going to give away Chicken Joys and rice. Yeah. About the JOLLIBEE Funko Pop, it's syempre, it's the one in Barong edition, so it's a very limited edition. He's wearing the Barong. Yeah, so it's like Jollibee became an icon on my collection. No, it's a Funko Pops, baby. It's a big thing for Jollibee. The huge red bee a naging ad icon ano sa Funko Pop. Yeah, I've been collecting for almost 5-6 years now, and syempre pag may pera lang po tayo, no? Because we have so much responsibilities. It's a big thing for us Filipinos because we became a global brand. Yes, it's important, no? All over the world, I hope there will be Jollibee, because Jollibee is my favorite fast food chain, especially the Chicken Joy. Woo, I'm a sucker for Chicken Joy. If you really love Jollibee, then this video is for you. If you're a Funko Pop collector, this video is for you. And if you're a motovlogger or a rider, then I think this one is for you. And if you are like me, who serves the less fortunate people in alam mo yun, hindi man everyday, hindi man service, but it's time to give back. So we'll see kung meron tayong makukuhang Funko Pop, and then we will give it back to the less fortunate people. Yeah, and I hope my kids will watch this and will understand what I've been doing for quite some time now, right before you were born. Oh my goodness, what will you do pagka ganito na? Goodness, bakit ba kayo nandyan sa kalsada? I really hope na meron ng Jollibee Funko Pop para makabili tayo ng bucket. Otherwise, walang kwenta itong vlog na ito, no? So, I was thinking of getting the Jollibee Funko Pop from the Ortigas branch dahil ang alam ko rin po na lagi kong mga binibigyan ng pagkain ay yung mga nasa kanto ng Ortigas, no? Pero hindi ko lang actually sure kung nandun sila at this time because they usually go there around nighttime. Uy, F Manalo, straight ahead. Baka meron nga doon. And yeah, it's a new branch for me. Let's check it out. Baka wala rin naman sa Ortigas. Oh, it's there, the Jollibee. Jollibee. The drive-thru. We'll go ask first kung pwede tayo mag-drive-thru. Yeah. We'll go check it out kung meron silang Funko Pop so we can go inside. Hi, do we have the Funko Pop po ba? Wala na? Yeah. Okay, thank you. So yeah, wala na. So unfortunately, you know, we just tried. So kung wala, we just check out other. So I think it's better to go here. Dahil tatawid na lang po ako papuntang F Manalo. Aray, grabe naman, taas naman nun. Ayun, wala po. Sorry tay. Wala pong stock ng Funko Pop. So we'll try other branches. Yay! Meron pang isang Jollibee sa may Wilson. So we'll check him out also. Tama ba? Doon pa rin Jollibee, no? Yes, meron pa rin. Yeah, boy! So we'll check it out also. And sana, actually malapit pa sa Green Hills. So baka wala na. And sinayang ko lang itong buong footage ko, no? Yes. Yeah, we are kind of near Jollibee Wilson. Yes. And let's hope na hindi tayo abutan ng ulan because it's getting dark, or my visor is dark. And sana may maabutan pa tayong Funko Pop because this branch is very near Green Hills Shopping Center. And yon, medyo marami pong kolektor dito sa area na to, and maraming mabibilan ng mga Funko Pop anik-anik, no? So I'm sure kailangan po siguro makabili tayo sa probinsya. The very limited edition. So let's check it out again. We'll see. Hi, meron pa ba tayong Funko Pop? Funko Pop na Jollibee? Damn it. It's like, alright. Sige, thank you. Hello ka muna. Hello muna. Alright, bye. So hindi sila nag-hello, and they completely disrespected me. I'm just kidding. Magpapakakamote na lang po muna tayo dito. Kasya naman tayo. And we're kind of in a hurry to buy a JOLLIBee Funko Pop. Sabi ko na nga po, wala na naman ako Funko Pop. Pag ako nainis, bibili na lang ng Chicken Joy para sa sarili ko. I don't know how this is possible, no? Dahil up to June 20 for sale. And ngayon pa lang, it's like the 15th or the 16th today. Or no, the 14th actually. Wala na agad stock, no? So ayun, too bad for me. Baka hindi tayo makakuha ng Funko Pop na JOLLIBEE in Barong. So yeah, better luck McDonald's in Barong. Ronald McDonald in Barong. Well, he doesn't belong here. I mean, he's not a Filipino by blood, or was he ever created in the Philippines? No, he's not. So magpapakakamote na ako. So I'm really sorry to this law-abiding citizens, law-abiding drivers. Magpapakakamote po muna tayo. I'm sorry. So unahin ko po muna yung JOLLIBEE dito sa may Annapolis. So yeah, unahin ko lang po muna dito sa may green sa JOLLIBEE para pag after nito, sorry, tigas na ako and then I'm off to the house kung wala po akong mabili. I'll just buy myself my own 2 pieces Chicken Joy. Wala tayong JOLLIBEE Funko Pop. Funko Pop. Pero meron po akong JOLLIBEE Funko Pop Metallic and JOLLIBEE Funko Pop Regular na naganda gulo-gulo po ang mundo ng Pilipinas dahil sa dami ng mga flippers, sa dami ng mga stupid idiotic morons na nagbenta ng stupid price, yes, and nag-hoard. I mean, what's the sense of collecting if you're just gonna buy it and then sell it at whatever price, no? Oh my goodness, it's getting dark. And I think uulanin pa tayo. Parang feeling ko wala na rin talaga, no? Kasi yung nga sinasabi ko, malapit ito sa mga kolektor. So pag wala pa dito, talagang bibili na ako ng Chicken Joy or Tigas. Ayaw ko na. Magpapakasasa na. Oh my god, tatanong na ako sa guardia. Tapos haba ng pila. Sir, may idea ka kung pwede patanong kung available pa yung laruan na Funko Pop? Yung available pa yung Funko Pop na laruan sa kanila? Meron pa? Sure ka? Okay. Well, may available pa daw. So, we'll see. Goodness. Sorry? Dito. Oo, tama. Sure ka, kuya? Dami na ako natanong wala eh. So, yeah. Meron daw po dito. So, we'll check him out. I hope hindi siya sinungaling. We'll check first before. Alright, meron daw. It was just confirmed by the security guard. Yes. So I'm so lucky. Meron pa dito. Woohoo. So we'll just get our wallets. And dito na lang tayo sa kabila, magpakakamote. And yeah. Let's see you guys in a while. Bye. Ha? Oo, pero bibigay ko yung Chicken Joy. Oo, okay lang, no problem. So okay lang ba na pumasok ako na naka-helmet kasi nag-video ako eh. Okay lang. Thank you. So yeah, we're on our way inside this JOLLIBEE branch right here in Annapolis. Yes, and we are going to buy the JOLLIBEE Funko Pop. Yes. So there you have it, our JOLLIBEE Chicken Joy. Hello ka muna. Yeah, nice. Alright, thanks so much. Baka makalimutan kayo Funko Pop. Thank you. Alright. Thank you. Alright. Woo! So luckily, binenta kanila tayo ng JOLLIBEE Funko Pop together with 4 extra rice and 4 separate boxes for each Chicken Joy. Yes. So yeah, ngayon ang problemahin naman natin is maghanap ng nabibigyan nitong yeah, shema, hindi kasya yung aking Chicken Joy bucket.
A few moments later.
So yeah, mag-aamay Chicken Joy ka ngayon Again.
2,000 years later.
Maghahanap po tayo ngayon ng mabibiyayaan ni Dmrph ng Chicken Joy. So hello to all of you, this is Dmrph again. And we were able to get myself a JOLLIBEE Funko Pop in Barong. So this vlog is definitely not a fail. Pero naisip ko, if I'm going to get two, well, yung mga collectors na tulad ko won't be able to get because yeah, medyo marami pa pong naghahanap like me. Let's check this area for any of our less fortunate peeps, and I hope we can find someone here, no? Yung mga natutulog sa kalsada or yung mga nanghihingi ng pera. Sana wag ka namang umulan para, oh god.
One eternity later.
Oh, it's raining! Goodness gracious! Oh man, this is not good. So yeah, sobrang lakas ng ulan, and wala na tayong choice but to oh my good lord, oh my good lord, what? Oh my god, ang lakas ng hangin. Oh my god, oh my god, seriously right now, seriously. Oh man, yung aking Funko Pop, oh no, makikisilong po muna ako. Oh my lord, god man. Whew. Grabe, makikisilong lang po muna ako sandali. I think I have to go home first because I can't see a damn thing. So I think I'm gonna have to cut this video short. Oh god, come on, basang-basa na po ako. Sana yung Funko Pop ko hindi basa. Oh my god, pati yung pagkain ko na 2-piece Chicken Joy. Oh my god, woo, yay. So wala na po ako talagang makita, like wala na ako makita, and I don't know. Basang-basa na ako, and I think yung Funko Pop ko din ay basang-basa na. Grabe, ang lakas nitong ulan na to, hindi lang po siya ambon. Grabe. Yeah, so nakakuha tayo ng Funko Pop, pero I think yeah, basang-basa na po siya ngayon. And yung aking 2 pieces chicken is swimming already with rainwater. Yeah, and these two, well, I'm hoping, oh god, wala na akong choice. So and my visor is starting to fog up really hard. So I don't know, I'm not quite sure if you can still see me, and kung meron man akong footage pa dito. I guess that's it. Wala na po siguro akong makikitang mga less fortunate people as of this moment. Yeah, I think my Funko Pop is really wet. Yeah, so sad. Oh there, hello Manong. Manong, kumain ka na? Bigyan po kita pagkain. Sige, thank you po. So yun, nabigyan pa tayo. And